Today, my friends, we're making salmone al cartoccio, salmon tucked into parchment like a little love note. Inside, lemon, fresh herbs, rich red cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil as golden as the Calabrian sunset. As it steams, the flavors softens and mingle, and when you open that warm paper pouch, it feels like opening a tender Italian memory. Have all your ingredients ready? They're about to take the Italian trip of their lives. Ingredienti: 6 salmone sottovuoto. Ingredients: 6 tender vacuum-sealed salmon fillet, resting like a quiet promise before our Italian story unfolds. 1 lemon sliced into glowing Italian suns, ready to brighten our story. 1 red onion sliced. A few dill sprigs, fresh and feathery. A few dill sprigs, also chopped. Chopped fresh flat Italian parsley. 6 to 8 large fresh basil leaves, chopped and fragrant. And now for the breath of the Italian summer, 250 grams of juicy cherry tomatoes. And we must not forget those who love that garlic touch, 2 to 3 cloves sliced. A few Kalamata olives for that beautiful briny flavor. Let's assemble the topping for the salmon. We add the fresh basil to the tomatoes, letting that Italian perfume bloom through the bowl. Next, the chopped parsley goes into the scene. And the chopped dill joins the festa, the little party unfolding in our bowl. A drizzle of golden liquid, a soft ribbon that brings the whole festa to life. A pinch of salt, a tiny whisper that wakes up the whole bowl. A touch of pepper, a gentle spark that brings it all to life. Give it a good stir, my friends, like 2 bold flavors rising together in an Italian festa that stirs the whole bowl awake. It's time to build our masterpiece. First thing to do is to add lemon slices and red onions on parchment paper, forming a bed for the salmon to rest on, like setting the stage before the star steps into the light. Next, the star of the meal arrives, and we gently place the salmon on its bed of lemon and onion slices. And now the dill steps in, settling gently beside the salmon like a loyal co-star, adding a soft green whisper to the scene. A pinch of salt for balance, and a touch of black pepper for warmth. A squeeze of Italian sunshine, bright, bold, and full of warmth that only a lemon can carry. And now for the supporting role, the cherry tomatoes are draped over the salmon like 2 lovers, bringing their bright, tender warmth to the scene. For a little conflict, next to the scene, the sliced garlic steps in, sharp and bold, adding that touch of drama the story needs. Next comes the stage crew, the Kalamata olives, those quiet heroes who sets the scene and deepens the story without ever stealing the spotlight. And for the cameo, the olive oil makes its brief golden appearance. Now the director gives the final wrap. taking this whole scene into a 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven and waiting 25 minutes for the grand reveal. Let me show you how to wrap the cartoccio. Once you fold the two sides over each other, letting them meet and closing around the salmon, then you gather the remaining ends, bringing them together and folding the ends in a triangle, and roll it gently, creating a handle to lock in every aroma. And there you have it, a little pouch. Now, in every family, there's always someone who doesn't like an ingredient. So mark their pouch with their initials, just to make life easy. And before we close, I want to share something close to my heart. Soon I will be traveling to Italy with my husband, our daughter Julia, and her little son Mimi. I'll take you with me through tender family moments, sunlit pizzas, and the dolce vita that wraps around our days like a gentle embrace. And don't worry, even from my Italian kitchen, I will still be creating recipe just for you. Follow along, perché certe bellezze si vivono meglio insieme. Meaning, some beauties are meant to be lived together. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I gently urge you to join us because you won't want to miss the journey. The dolce far niente, the sweet art of doing nothing, slowing down, savoring life, and living each day as if the sun is rising and setting just for you. And now I ask you, are you ready to come with me and join the club of La Dolce Vita? Ready to wander through slow morning, savoring your cappuccino with a warm cornetto, and soft, beautiful evenings enjoying a spectacular view? We all long for the sweet art of savoring life. So don't forget to visit every Sunday for a new recipe from the motherland. And La Dolce Vita waits for you, like the next scene in a beautiful Italian film. Ciao, my friends. See you in La Bella Italia.